So every morning, my AI tells me what's important, not a generic news feed, my actual priorities, pulled from my goals, my calendar, my health data, my email. I have a tracker board that knows what I'm stuck on. When I open it, the cards have already moved based on what I did yesterday. When I'm writing something hard, I don't start from a blank page. I describe what I need, and my AI gives me a draft, and then I edit it. That's the system. AI is a partner, not a tool. It took me months to build. It would take you much less because I've already made the mistakes. I'm not technical, but I have an idea of who I want to become, and with my AI as my co pilot and an accountability partner, there isn't much I can't do. Join me on this journey, and I'll show you what AI is capable of in your hands.